sklearn cluster. Description: explain in detail. Scikit-learn. sklearn provides a comprehensive suite of clustering algorithms that group data points into clusters based on their similarity. Clustering is a fundamental unsupervised learning technique used to discover underlying patterns and structures in data. Inputs. Input 1. Explain in detail a dataset, typically a NumPy array or pandas data frame containing features columns representing the characteristics of each data point. Input 2. Explain in detail the choice of a clustering algorithm, e.g. k-means, DBSCAN. Agglomerative clustering. Each algorithm has different assumptions and strengths, so selecting the appropriate one is crucial for effective clustering. Outputs. Output 1. Explain in detail a cluster assignment label for each data point, indicating which cluster it belongs to. Output 2. Explain in detail depending on the algorithm. Additional outputs might be provided, such as cluster centroids, k-means, distance matrices, agglomerative clustering, or outlier scores, DBSCAN. Steps. Step 1. Explain in detail data preparation. The dataset is typically preprocessed to scale or normalize features, which can improve the performance of some clustering algorithms. Step 2. Explain in detail clustering. The chosen clustering algorithm is applied to the prepared data. The algorithm attempts to group data points based on their proximity or similarity. Metrics. Metric 1. Explain in detail silhouette score measures the similarity of data points within a cluster compared to other clusters. A higher score indicates better defined clusters. Metric 2. Explain in detail Kalinski-Haraba's index evaluates the ratio of between cluster variance to within cluster variance. A higher score suggests well-separated clusters. Visualization plots. Visualization plot 1. Explain in detail scatter plots. Data points can be visualized with their assigned cluster labels to observe the cluster structure. Visualization plot 2. Explain in detail dendrogram for hierarchical clustering. Visual representation of the hierarchical clustering process, showing the merging of clusters at different levels. Fine-tune parameters. Parameter 1. Explain in detail number of clusters k for algorithms like k-means. This parameter determines the desired number of clusters. It often requires experimentation to find the optimal value. Parameter 2. Explain in detail distance metric specifies the way distance between data points is measured. Common options include Euclidean distance, Manhattan distance, and cosine similarity. Uncertainty methods. Uncertainty method 1. Explain in detail stability analysis assessing the robustness of cluster assignments by repeatedly running the clustering algorithm with different random initializations or subsamples of data. Uncertainty method 2. Explain in detail bootstrap resampling, creating multiple bootstrap samples of the data and performing clustering on each sample. The variability in cluster assignments across these samples provides insights into uncertainty. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Explain in detail choosing the optimal number of clusters. Determining the appropriate number of clusters can be subjective and often requires domain knowledge and experimentation. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. When analyzing customer data, it's challenging to decide how many customer segments exist without prior information. Fixes to challenge 1. Elbow method. Examining the within cluster sum of squares. WCSS is a function of the number of clusters. The elbow point indicates a suitable number of clusters. Challenge 2. Explain in detail handling outliers. Outliers can significantly affect clustering results, leading to distorted clusters or incorrect cluster assignments. Sample use case that resulted in challenge to a dataset with a few data points significantly different from the majority might lead to the creation of a spurious cluster. Fixes to challenge to pre-processing using outlier detection techniques, e.g. DBSCAN, to remove or modify outliers before clustering. Robust algorithms employing clustering algorithms that are less sensitive to outliers, e.g. K-medoids instead of algorithms like K-means.